everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the hottest trends in the tech world right now, Google's Project IDX. So what exactly is Project IDX? Why is everyone talking about it? And most importantly, how can it revolutionize the way we work and live? Let's find out. Project IDX stands for Integrated Development Experience. It's not just another tool or platform. It's an ecosystem designed to streamline and supercharge your development workflow. Whether you're a software developer, a designer, a project manager, or even a student, Google's IDX is here to make your life easier. It offers a unified workspace where you can write, test, and deploy your code without the usual hassle of switching between different apps and platforms. Think of it as your ultimate productivity booster. But that's not all. Project IDX is packed with features that are designed to enhance collaboration, improve code quality, and accelerate your development process. From real-time collaboration tools to advanced debugging capabilities, and from seamless integration with popular version control systems to powerful automation features, Project IDX has it all. Now that we know what Project IDX is, let's look at some of its awesome advantages. All in one workshop. Everything you need is in one place. No more jumping between different apps. Real-time collaboration. Work with your team in real time even if you are in different places. Better code quality. Catch and fix mistakes early with advanced debugging tools. Easy integration. Connects smoothly with tools like Git, making project management a breeze. Automation. Automates repetitive tasks so you can focus on coding. Customizable. Set it up just the way you like it with your favorite tools and settings. Boosts productivity. Features like code completion and templates help you work faster. Supports many languages. Works with lots of programming languages and frameworks. Scalable. Handles projects of any size from small to big. Great community and support. Get help and tips from a strong community and excellent support resources. These benefits make Project IDX a fantastic tool for developers. Next, we will dive into some features and show you how to get started. Let's begin with going to Project IDX website and click on Get Started and you will be directed to the website. So now, let's explore the IDX dashboard. In Project IDX, we can create any environment and develop the code entirely in the cloud. There is no need of any setup on your local machine. That is the advantage of Project IDX. Let's explore now. When I click on this home icon here, we will get this web page. Here we can look at Gemini in IDX. When I click on read more, we will be directed to this page. So here we will understand everything about how Gemini is in IDX. So you can just read it on your own. So here we will see how the code is generated, developed, and how the Gemini is integrated in IDX. So let's get back to home. Now let's start building your app in cloud. So we have a number of templates here. So we can see all the templates that are available, right? So these are all the default templates that are already available. So let's see how to start with a web app. So when I click on web app, we will see how to use Next.js. So when I click on Next.js, it will ask you to name your workshop. So let me name it as my app, right? And I have to select the language. So let me select JavaScript and let all the other default settings be as it is. And let me click on the create icon here. Now it will take a little while to set up our workspace. So once the setup is made, you will be directed to this page where you will have all the coding files here. Wow, that's great, right? You need not do anything. You need not code, you need not write anything. It's all there. So we got the JavaScript here. And if you can notice, we have the web page here. So output will be displayed here. Wow, that's so nice, right? So we got here the output. So let me see how to make few changes. So here we can find the code. So let me change something on my template there. So let me change the statement. Let me write it as subscribe our great learning channel, right? So here it is. Wow. So it instantly replicated on our output. Can you see? This was something else and now it became whatever I typed, right? So learn something about Next.js. You want to change that? Let us try it. So this is great, right? So this is displayed here. So whatever I typed here got displayed. So this is how you can create your web pages, apps, and many more, right? So let me try something else. So let us try a different application and check whether that works. Let me go back to my Project IDX Dashboard. Let me go to Home. And yeah, this time let me try mobile app and let me try Flutter. So let me type that as my Flutter app and just create. So it is telling IDX currently has a pre-user workshop limit. So we have to delete a application which we have already created. So what we have to do is we have to go back to the home and whatever I have created here, I have to click on it and delete. So I need to type delete to delete it. So once I do that, once it gets deleted, only then you will be able to create your new app. This is the disadvantage of any free application, right? So that's fine. So let me create this. Again, it will take a little while to set up the workspace. So here you go. So this is how you can create a Flutter app on your Android phone, right? Or even this is how it looks on web page. And this is how the Project IDX is useful in creating your web applications or mobile applications. So, try exploring more features on your Project IDX. For more such informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.